Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Disney Plus account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now here's a quick tip, if you would like to get Disney Plus for a much cheaper price or any other better deals, then all you have to do is scroll down to see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where it will send you to Gamsco. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and basically you share your account with other people under one subscription, like one big family. And once you log in and sign up, you can click on Disney Plus right here, and then you can select for 12 months, activate your renewal, and then from here you can write to Gummy, which will give you an additional 5% off, and you will get the best price possible for 2.93 euros a month. That's pretty much it. But now if you would like to sign up for a proper account like traditional, all you have to do is go to the main website, disneyplus.com, and then it will send you right here, which you're going to enter your email address and then click on sign up now. Once you do that, it will redirect you to the next page where you're going to add a password of your own, so make sure to add something that is fully secure, and then from here you're going to click on agree and continue. Once that is done, it will tell you to select your plan, and as you can see, it's more expensive than the one that we showed you before, but select whichever one is more comfortable for you, and then once you select the standard or premium, then you can select up to monthly or annual, and then enter your credit card information, and that's pretty much it. Now you have a Disney Plus account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.